A symbolic moment, suspended high above the Earth. On August 5th, aboard the International Space Station, Expedition 73 marked its transition, a change of command ceremony steeped in unity, gratitude, and reflection.
And we know that there's some tumultuous times on Earth, and there's some people that are going through struggles all around. And we want this mission, our mission, to be a reminder of what people can do when we work together, when we explore together.
The NASA SpaceX Crew 10 members offered emotional farewells, underscoring camaraderie in orbit and a deep appreciation for the journey shared.
Grateful to our 73S crewmates. You guys made it a blast up here. We've had a wonderful time with you, and looking forward to seeing what the rest of what you accomplished during Expedition 73. Grateful that Crew 11 is here. We're excited to see you guys here, and we can't wait to pass it off to you and see all the great things that you guys achieve on your mission. And grateful to Crew 10. You guys have made this an amazing experience. So,
with tradition and humility, JAXA astronaut Takuya Onishi formally passed command of the station to Roscosmos cosmonaut Sergey Ryzhikov.
I am very happy to hand over the command of the ISS to you, Sergey.
Dear friends, dear colleagues, taking responsibility for station commanding, I am full of expression, and I would like to note that our Expedition 73 took place on an anniversary year. We together celebrated 50th anniversary of first joint international space flight, Apollo-Soyuz, and first handshake in space. We are going to celebrate 25th anniversary of International Space Station flight in manned mode. And history shows that in our beautiful planet, people unfortunately cannot understand each other anytime, but in space we can cooperate effectively. And I'm so thank you everybody for this nice 4 months together, and wish you have a safe trip home.
A nod to history and a hopeful look forward. In the silence of space, partnerships endure where politics often fail. The handshakes, hugs, and applause marked more than the end of an expedition. They affirmed the human spirit of exploration and international collaboration. As the ceremony closed, voices from ground control echoed the sentiment shared in orbit.
Thank you, Expedition 73 and Crew 10, for your heartfelt words and bookending your mission by ending it the same way you started it, with gratitude and inspiration. We are now resuming operational audio.
Crew 10 is set to undock and return to Earth as early as August 6, depending on weather. Their journey ends, but their message resonates far beyond the station walls.